Welcome to a new Consumer Goods review. Today we have Pokemon XY Trainer Kit with Pikachu Libre and Suicune. It says it's easy to learn and easy to play. Let's hope so. On the back it says we have two 30-card decks with special selected foil card. And we have 2-player playmat. We have 2 guided game booklets, damage counters and special condition markers, game coin with cool Pokemon design, illustrated deck box to keep your new cards in, and a code card for the Pokemon TCG online. That one is coming for you guys. I'm giving it to you, so stay tuned. Recommended for 6 and plus, and the Pokemon Company International is the corporation that makes this. Let's go ahead and get inside the box. Oh, sorry about that, guys. I got my knife here, and I got the tape here, and this is what happens. Get wrecked. Ooh, it looks like they used a lot of glue here. Nice. Wait, it wasn't even taped. Why did I? Oh, it was taped here. The tape is here. Okay, let's see what we get here. Nice, look at that. Look at that. So first of all, we have the coin here. Very nice Pikachu logo, and on the back, just a Pokemon ball. Very nice sound. Yep. Head or tails? Bet your life on it. Tails. Okay. So these are the decks. We have a Pikachu Libre deck and a Suicune deck. Very nice. Damage counters and the special condition counter. Pokemon TCG. Go ahead and grab it if you played the game. And here's some guides how to play it. Very nice. It seems to be a very good guide, like they use a lot of pictures. Even if you're like a new player, like I am, you can understand how to play it. And they have a guide for each deck, it seems like. And they have the deck list here too. So that's pretty nice. Okay, what else? This is the box where you keep your cards. Okay, very nice. So you put them here, they don't break. That's good. And what else? Start here. Don't shuffle the deck. They're ready to play right now. Okay, that's good to know. Where's the playmat? Is this the playmat? Damn, it's just a paper playmat. I was hoping to get like the matte version playmat, like. But it's fine. I guess you can't hope for too much because it's just a starter pack. The cool ones you have to buy separately. Ooh, they even have the guide behind here. Let me zoom out a little bit more. Yeah. Active Pokemon bench. And they have the prize cards. And I think the graveyard is somewhere here where the dead Pokemon go. These cards are here. So yeah, that's that. But the main thing. Let's see what cards we get from the decks. Okay, here we go. Which one should we open first? Let's go ahead and open the Pikachu one. Let's see, how do we open this? Oh, I see. They have the edge over here. It always feels nice to open new Pokemon cards. Even though these are predetermined, like they're not random. We saw the deck list before. Okay, let's see. Come on. Nice. So, the first card. Obviously, Pikachu. Quick attack and flying Elekkick. Very nice card, look at the design. It's glowing nicely. We have some energy. Electric, the Pokemon dog with electricity. Gla Meow, isn't this like, how is this fit into the deck? It's not electric. Kind of weird. We have Blitzle, some zebra Pokemon. Let me make some space here, hold on. I'm amateur Pokemon unboxer, as you can see. Okay. Electriwire. And we have this cat Pokemon Evolve version. Puruglu. It's like purr and it's ugly. Because he's ugly. Ooh, Electabuzz. I remember this Pokemon from the original games. This one was cool. And Manectric. This one is the evolved version of the dog Pokemon we saw before. And some potions. Very important when you play the game. Heal your Pokemons. Tierno. Some chubby Pokemon trainer. More of this ugly Pokemon. I don't like this. Some energy. Yeah. Fledgling. It's a new bird type of Pokemon. Haven't seen before. More Electabuzz. Ooh, another Pikachu Libre. So you have two of them. More Manectric. And Blitzle again. More Doggos. And some energy again. Yeah. Tail of energy. Electriwire. So this one is actually evolving from the Electabuzz. They added this in the later generations. And more energy. And another this little Kedela Pokemon. Glamilov, yeah. Very nice deck. I don't like the cats in the deck though. I like the electric Pokemons more. So I think this one will be better deck. If I had to choose, I will play with this deck most likely because Suicune is much more epic than just Pikachu. Okay, let's open this up. Here we go. Look at that Suicune. It's a nice design. Spiral Drain and Aurora Beam are the special attacks. And Chubby Trainer, Water. What is this? Is this what is this Pokemon in English? The goose? I don't know. It's called Swanna. Never seen this. What generation is this? Goldeen. This one is classic, first generation, I know. And Seeking, the evolved version. Ducklet. It's funny. Froggy, the little frog Pokemon. Water energy. Frogadier. So this is evolving from the frog Pokemon. Okay. What is the Chubby Trainer? Draw 3 cards. I don't get this. And water. This Flamingo again. Or whatever this is. Water. Piplup. This is like, I think this 3rd generation of Pokemons. Or is it 4th? The starting Pokemon that evolves into like penguin or something. We have some potions. Again, Suicune, that's good. Look. The illustrator is called Maho. It's almost like Myro. That's nice. Goldeen, Seeking, Frog, Energy. Ducklet, Frog, Energy. EV, that's kind of random inside this like water deck. Maybe they're hoping to get the water million Pokemon that evolves from the EV, the water type. And just water, yeah. So yeah, that was the deck. Obviously we have Suicune, the main thing. And then we have the Pikachu Libre. What does the Libre mean? Is it like some trainer special Pokemon? I don't know. Yeah, that was Pokemon XY Trainer Kit. Leave a comment, which deck would you like to play? I will pick the Suicune any day and just look at this coin again. So nice. Let's put this... Wait, did it only come with one pack? Yeah, it only came with one of these, so it seems like you can only put one. You cannot put both decks here, I guess. Or can you? Let's see. Maybe it's good to divide it with this card. So get the code now. I will put it to divide the decks. Let's see if it's feeding. Yeah, it's feeding. That's good. Just barely. Hope I don't scratch them or something, but yeah. Yeah, it's barely feeding here. 2 decks. Yeah, thanks for watching. And I will see you guys in the future unboxings. And leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you very much.